create your own YouTube channel and just don't know where to start? Or maybe you're a small business owner that wants to build your brand and attract more clients and sales using your YouTube channel. Or maybe you're a YouTube creator and you want to scale your brand. I am Shante or Roddy. I am the founder and host of She Boss Talk. This is my platform, and I was just like you, wanting to make an impact through YouTube. Started off with 0 subscribers. And in the height of the pandemic, I was able to grow my channel from 0 subscribers to over 20,000 subscribers in a few short months. I was also able to generate over $24,000 in less than 12 months, which is more than many people's full-time salary. That is so exciting. So I want to help you to be able to turn your channel into a profit generating machine and use this as an opportunity to generate multiple streams of income. And these are passive income streams. That is why we are hosting our YouTube Creators Masterclass. What are you going to learn? You're going to learn all my tips and tricks. You're going to learn how to master YouTube, what videos to create, what are the best niches. You're going to learn how to create compelling thumbnails, how to master the YouTube partnership program, how to qualify and make more money. You're going to learn even 10 or more ways outside of the YouTube partnership program of how to make more money and passive income. That means less work for you and more money to earn, right? We want to earn while we sleep. And that's exactly what you're going to be able to do. Now, this masterclass is for beginners and those that are more advanced. This class is for you if you really want to take your YouTube channel to the next level. Starting October the 9th at 10 a.m. You can sign up today. Just go to the link at bit.ly/YouTube Creator Masterclass and meet us there. Meet me and other wonderful entrepreneurs and business owners just like you that want to use in YouTube as their platform to amplify their impact, to grow their tribe, and to make multiple streams of income. See you there.